Good morning and welcome to your Eagles Nest Live for your AHS Morning News. Hello, I'm Courtney.
Hello, I'm Macy.
Hello, I'm Logan.
And I'm Allie, and we're here to provide you with the news for today, Friday, September 18th. The Apollo Spirit Store is open daily from 1:30 to 3:30. If you would like to purchase an item from the Spirit Store, please call the school office at 270-852-7100 to make an appointment. You may also email the AHS Spirit Store Manager, Ms. Kim Myers, at kim.myers@davis.kyschools.us.
How are you liking how school's going right now? Everyone else around here is doing something different than Apollo, so let's see what they're doing compared to us. What grade are you in, and are you excited about going back to school?
I'm in 6th grade, and I'm excited and nervous to go back to school because I don't really know anybody, but I'm excited to meet all my teachers.
When did you go back, and what are the restrictions you had to follow?
So I went back on September 14th, and we had to wear masks, surgical masks. We couldn't wear cloth masks. We had to wear surgical masks the whole time, and we couldn't take it off unless we were eating or drinking or we were outside. So
Going to OCTC, what's your schedule because of COVID, and how have your classes been?
So I go on Mondays to biology every week, and then I go every 3 classes for my anatomy class. And then I have an online class that's fully online. And on the days that I don't go to anatomy, I have an 8 a.m. Zoom lecture that lasts for about an hour and 30 minutes. And the classes have been okay so far. I don't feel like I'm learning as well as I did before, but it's just a big change because I have to do it all by myself.
Now that you know what other schools are doing, are you excited to come back to school, Eagle Nation? We can't wait to see you. Stay safe and healthy. We love you guys.
Please remember, if you have trouble with your device at home, you may contact our help desk at tech.help@davis.kyschools.us.
On Tuesday night, the Lady Eagles played host to Davis County. Their first half saw 7 goals scored by DCHS with the scoring from multiple angles and good possession. The Lady Eagles showed great resolve in the second half, allowing only 1 goal. Goalkeeper Joanna Hutchinson had 19 saves and allowed 8 goals. She was extremely busy as well as the defense most of the evening. Last year's DCHS team run-ruled us twice, with one of those games in the first half. Great improvement this season as the Lady Eagles lasted the entire match and playing at their level the entire second half. Keep your heads up, ladies.
Breakfast and lunch are free for all DCPS students this semester. While we are on orange light status, Apollo High School students can pick up free meals on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 11:30 to 12:30 at the Gemini student drop-off and pickup areas.
We want to wish the following co-curricular activities good luck as they participate in events this weekend. The varsity football team as they host Meade County tonight, the girls golf team as they host an invitational at Ben Hawes on Saturday, the JV and varsity boys soccer team as they host Meade County on Saturday, the girls JV and varsity soccer team as they travel to play Meade County on Saturday. Go Eagles, thank you, and have a great weekend.
Good morning, Eagles. Welcome to your Friday. Happy Friday today. Just a few quick reminders. Teachers, we need for you to process your self-reflection and perform. Remember the instructions we gave Wednesday's faculty meeting. You've got a few days to do this. We realize that before you can do your PGP, we administrators have to accept your self-reflection. So we're going to talk about that this morning in our weekly leadership team meeting, and we'll process those as quickly as we can get them, and so you can take care of that. Also, just wanted to remind, this past week we've been trying to get all staff members to do their watch the video that Nurse Laura sent out and make sure that we get that signed off. We've gotten quite a few this week, but there's still a good handful of folks that still need to complete that. So please take care of that as quickly as you can. Also, yes, again, another shout out for our ENL cast today. And their very creative ways to put stories together while they're home. So we are looking forward to having our freshman A group this next Wednesday in orientation. It's going to be a full day orientation. Going to spend a lot of time with your classroom teachers in preparation for the AB schedule. We look forward to that. More details and how we're going to transition to the rest of the student body. We're hoping that after fall break. Just a reminder to everyone about wearing your masks, staying socially distanced, especially while you are here on campus for events. It's a blessing that we're able to have a certain amount of attendance at our sporting events, but know that we are expected to ensure that people are not only wearing their mask, but especially staying socially distanced at the event. So if you're sitting with your family, that's understandable. But whenever we're clumped up in groups indoors, especially watching a volleyball game, that's not a good thing. So when you are coming to these games, make sure that you are finding a spot that is safely distanced from other people. And yes, wearing your mask. All right, so as far as birthdays go today and through this weekend, Tyler Bard is celebrating a birthday today. Logan Reinerson tomorrow. Som Chai and Haley Owen. Jeffrey Watkins. And then on Sunday, Cody Alford, Chloe Ebelhair, Tennyson Ivy, and Eric Maglinger all on Sunday. Let's make it a great weekend. Let's all stay safe. Go Eagles.
Please stand for the pledge. Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.